friends, this is Yuni with Swatch Pop, and today I wanted to share about the power of chalk paint. I'm standing in front of my dresser. I've had this dresser ever since we got married, so it's over 15 years old, and in its original state it used to be this orange toned wood. Don't ask me why I chose that one when we got married, but I guess there weren't a lot of choices and I just didn't have a strong opinion when I was buying the furniture at that time. Oh, I know what it was. I was just excited to get married. So anyways, it used to be like this orangish toned wood. And over time, I just got kind of tired of it. But, you know, it was a solid wood piece and I didn't want to just like get rid of it. And so I decided to chalk paint it. And I've chalk painted a ton of furniture over the years. And there's so many different types of chalk paint I've used. And honestly, a lot of the ones in the stores that you can buy at craft stores or even at Home Depot, they're all pretty good, and it's so easy because there's no priming or sanding involved. And so basically I gave this piece just about 2 or 3 coats of white chalk paint. I think it's a creamy color. And then I even changed out the not doorknobs. I changed out the hardware. And so they used to be like the same color wood knobs, and then I changed them out for these like crystal looking ones. It just gave the furniture piece new life. I did the same thing with my nightstands, and you know, until I decide to get something that I really love, these work for now. And it's just a great way to keep existing furniture and giving it new life, not spending a lot of money because the chalk paint's actually pretty cheap and it goes a very long way. And then, oh, I forgot to mention, at the end you want to put like a clear wax finish on it. And it just kind of gives it a seal, a little bit of a protectant seal on it. So if you're thinking about throwing away a piece of furniture, maybe look at it with fresh eyes and think maybe I can give it a fresh coat of paint, and you might fall in love with it even more than what it used to look like. So just like this piece, you know, it has a completely new life. It looks so different than before, and it works just fine. So we love it, and we'll keep it until, you know, we decide we want something else. So I hope you found this tip helpful, and just wanted to say thank you for watching.